Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will just discuss what is Power BI and how it is useful. Power BI is a cloud-based business analytical tool that enables anyone to visualize and analyze the data with greater efficiency. We can create interactive dashboards and reports with the help of Power BI. So I will show you how it is interactive. This is the report guys, which I have created for my viewers only. Now you can see how things are interactive in just one click. Let's say we want to see the profit for the movie Chamber of Secret. What I'll do, I'll just simply click on movie and we can easily see how profit is changed. And in this way, we can see other movies' profit. For example, we want to see the profit of Order of the Phoenix. What we do, we just simply click and you guys can see the profit has been changed. Not profit, but other the collection, budget, chapters, characters, everything has changed. Just one click. We can see anything in just one click. Therefore, most of the organization moving towards Power BI to see the better visualization instead of rows and columns. So now question is why only Power BI? Although we have other analytic tool in the market like Tableau, Looker, ClickSense, etc. So here is the answer guys. Power BI is more easier to learn. We can create effective and interactive dashboards and reports. And the best thing is its using cost is very less as compared to other business analytical tool. So its future is really bright, and as I discussed in my first video, you can easily earn up to 14 to 15 lakh per annum after learning this free course from this channel. So I'll start teaching Power BI from my next video, and I will cover up only basic knowledge about BI. So stay tuned with us and please support this channel and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much guys.